After a big loss day, it's crucial to take specific steps to recover both emotionally and strategically. Here's a plan to help you reset. 1. Step away and reflect. Take a break. The emotional impact of a big loss can cloud your judgment. Step away from the market, even if it's just for the rest of the day. Give yourself time to cool down and regain composure. Avoid revenge trading. It's tempting to try and win back losses, but this often leads to further mistakes. Avoid placing any trades until you're mentally calm. 2. Analyze the loss. Review the trade. Go back and analyze what went wrong. Was it a technical mistake, poor market conditions, or emotional trading, e.g., revenge trading, FOMO? Identify patterns. Are there recurring behaviors after a loss, like over-leveraging or disregarding risk management? Recognizing patterns will help prevent future losses. Log the trade. Write about the loss in your trading journal, noting what happened and how you felt. This helps externalize the emotion and learn from the mistake. 3. Revise your strategy. Evaluate risk management. Assess your position sizing and risk limits. Were they appropriate for the trade? Adjust if necessary to ensure you're not taking on more risk than your strategy allows. Define limits. Set clear loss limits for the day, week, or month. If you reach these limits, stop trading. This helps prevent massive drawdowns. Review profit-taking rules. Make sure you're not letting greed or hope dictate your profit targets. Taking profits, especially after being up on a trade, could have saved you from the loss. 4. Adjust mindset. Accept losses as part of trading. Losses happen even to the best traders. What matters is how you react and learn from them. Detaching emotionally from losses is key to long-term success. Rebuild confidence gradually. After a big loss, avoid jumping into large positions. Trade smaller size and focus on regaining confidence with successful, disciplined trades. 5. Re-establish discipline. Take smaller trades. Size down on your next few trades to regain confidence. Focus on executing your plan, rather than focusing on making back what was lost. Stick to the plan. Follow your trading plan rigorously. Don't deviate just because you're eager to recover from a loss. 6. Self-care and emotional management. Get rest and recharge. After a tough trading day, make sure to rest. Your mental and physical well-being directly affect your trading performance. Practice mindfulness. Activities like meditation or journaling can help calm your mind and prevent emotional responses to losses. 7. Lean on accountability support. Talk to your trading accountability partners or a mentor. Sharing the experience with others can provide perspective and constructive feedback. Discuss emotions. Don't hesitate to discuss how the loss made you feel. Trading partners can help remind you of the long-term vision, preventing impulsive actions.